Today, we see our world through electronic eyes. They're in the air and beyond it. They keep a constant watch. They help us get around. They help us perform operations from manufacturing and marketing to military, medical, and molecular. Now, as virtual, altered, and mixed reality take us into the realm of imagination and visualization, virtually everything will depend on a lens. That's why optical equipment manufacturers turn to SDC Technologies for high-performance coatings that resist abrasion, impact, and chemical damage, and corrosion and discoloration due to age, weather, and UV exposure, and that are easy to clean with common household ammonia-free cleaners. These include a unique plate and lens solution with all the qualities needed for autonomous vehicles. Our coating technologies and manufacturing expertise are helping to make new optical solutions viable and, thanks to low-VOC chemistry, sustainable. So, to make your new solutions viable and sustainable, talk to SDC Technologies, high-performance chemistry.